In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix McDonald's app not showing saved cards. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app update. So launch your app store or Play Store, search for the app McDonald's. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated versions often cause payment methods to disappear. Next, check your internet connection. Disable any VPN or proxy service since payment systems sometimes fail to load saved cards when the app detects unusual network activity. You should also sign out of your McDonald's account and sign back in, as this often refreshes stored payment data. If the cards still do not appear, try removing and re-adding your payment method manually inside the payment settings section. Likewise, clear cache for the app for that launch settings. Go to General, click on iPhone Storage, find McDonald's and launch it. Now click on the option Upload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and click on Reinstall app. If this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete McDonald's app and reinstall it. This might resolve the issue. If none of these methods work, the issue may be caused by a temporary server problem on McDonald's side. In that case, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.